All right, man, you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Question is, are you guys ready?
Are you ready?
Let's do
Fire
it.
this thing up. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Death by Boost. Today, this Turbo LS 5.3 liter V8 beast is going back in Frankencart. It's been down for a while, which really sucks, but now it's gonna run again. Time to get this beast in there. I'm gonna do a little bit of time lapsing on this one, maybe some video trickery. So I got some questions for you guys. What are your goals? And what is your accomplishments in racing or anything car related? Leave in the comments below. I'd definitely like to know. If you have any suggestions, what you like, what you don't like about the way we film, if it's too boring, you know, so on and so forth. Leave in the comments below. But I need to notch these out. Because last time when I took the engine out, the oil pan got stuck on here and here. Other than that, this ain't gonna be too hard. It does take a little bit longer to install the motor as opposed to removing it, just because when you're removing it, it's just ripping and tearing everything out. But putting it back in, you know, you gotta be a little more delicate and take your time and do it right so you don't have any issues, no leaks, no failures, nothing like that. I don't know about you guys, I'm excited to put this back in there. First thing I need to do is get this back on the engine hoist. I need to get the intake off. I just put that on there to be proud of that engine again because it looks so naked without it. And then I need to get the transmission bolted back up with the adapter plate, hub, and clutch, and second flywheel. So that's gonna be the easy part. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to a time lapse on this part. Alright guys, that went together a lot quicker than it actually came apart. But then again, I was describing everything in the last video as I was taking it apart. That way you guys knew exactly what's in here, because a lot of this stuff hasn't been seen because I started this YouTube channel after the car was completed, unfortunately. So all I got left here is I need to notch these out real quick. Time to get this beast in there. Alright guys, engine is back where it belongs. So not much more to do. I'm not gonna bore you with any more time lapses. Gonna do some trickery. Let's get that wire harness and intake on. All right, intake's back on, harness is all ran, all the plumbing is done. All I got left is to put the bolts in here, put the slave cylinder back on, put the exhaust on, turbo, wing, fill it with fluids. Yeah, that's about it. Don't check out yet. By the end of this video, this will be running again. So let's get the exhaust and turbo on. All right. Got the exhaust, the turbo on, started filling this thing with fluids. Just gotta get the wing back on, and this thing will be ready to start. I'm gonna wait till Cole gets here, he's on his way over, and we're gonna fire this thing up. Oh, I can't wait. All right, guys. Everything's done. All the fluids are filled. Ready to fire this thing up.
Oh yeah.
Cole
Can't
joined
wait.
us. Cole's here.
He said he was getting ready to fire it up, and I headed over.
Yeah, right?
Gotta hear it,
Yeah,
man.
you can't miss this part.
No, back to good.
Heck yeah. So I went ahead and put magnets on the oil filter this time. So that's gonna catch any of those metal filings if this happens again. I just put synthetic in there for this go around. Just doing a light break in. The piston rings are good. I don't have to worry about anything there. But yeah, are you ready, Cole?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you nervous?
I'm nervous.
It's always nervous to start a motor for the first time, right?
Right? There we go.
All right.
Yeah.
How do you want to do it? Just turn it, right?
Yep, there we go.
Here we go, guys. Oh yeah!
Yeah.
First attempt.
It blew up. Man.
Almost like you know what you're doing. It almost sounds like it's idling better,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, it's running on 8 cylinders now, not 7.5.
Hell yeah! This is awesome.
Alright, she's warmed up now. Got good oil pressure. Idling a lot smoother than it used to. Are you excited, Cole?
I'm excited for you. Nothing worse
I
than
know
having
I'm
a motor
excited.
down.
Right?
Having a motor down is like the worst, and not knowing what it was, so
Yeah.
heck yeah.
So hopefully you guys learned from my mistakes. In the previous 2 videos, I explained the problems with this motor and then what exactly caused everything. So definitely check those out. Learn from my mistakes so it doesn't happen to you. But anyways, guys, make sure you check us out next week. Wheels and tires for this guy here. Slicks and skinnies. So you don't want to miss that. And then obviously we got more stuff coming up. Race season's around the corner. Rocky Mountain Race Week. Registration is next week. So, oh man, cross your fingers, guys. And
We've been hearing that they sell out. So if they sell out, we can't get in.